Are you looking for the top 5 coolest woodworking tools you need? If you're tired of struggling with inefficient tools that just don't get the job done, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Malco TS1 Turbo Shear. First up is the Malco TS1 Turbo Shear, priced at around $60.69. What caught my attention was its ability to navigate tight patterns and square cuts with ease. If you want a powerful attachment that turns your drill into a metal cutting machine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The TS1 inserts into any standard 14.4 volt or larger AC or cordless drill, so you don't need to buy a separate tool. It's built with long-life dual ball bearings, ensuring durability even with frequent use. Plus, it weighs just 1 pound, making it incredibly portable. This attachment is perfect for anyone looking to tackle sheet metal without the hassle of bulky tools. It's worth noting that over 300 of these were bought this past month, which speaks to its popularity. Now, some people complained about it being a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're cutting metal, a little noise is expected, and the efficiency you gain is well worth it. If you're someone who needs precision cutting for metal sheets, this tool will save you a ton of time. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or a contractor who frequently works with metal. Skip this one if you only need it once in a blue moon, as it might not justify the investment for casual use. Overall, it offers solid value for anyone serious about their metalworking. Now, if the noise from the Turbo Shear bothers you, the next option is all.
Product number 2, Bora Centipede Workbench Tabletop. Next is the Bora Centipede Workbench Tabletop, retailing for about $79.99. This product instantly caught my eye with its promise of transforming any Bora Centipede workstand into a professional-grade portable workbench. If you want a sturdy, reliable workspace, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. The tabletop supports up to a whopping 2,000 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty projects. With a 24 by 48 inch surface and a design that includes 20mm dog holes, you can easily secure your materials in place. The portability factor is huge too. It folds up for easy transport, which is a must for job sites or DIY projects at home. Over 100 of these have been purchased recently, indicating it's a popular choice among woodworking enthusiasts. Now, some users mention that the locking handles can be a bit tricky to use initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the setup is quick and efficient. If you're looking for a solid base to work on without the hassle of heavy, immobile workbenches, this will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or someone who frequently moves between job sites. Skip this one if you have no need for portability, as it might not be worth it to you, but for its price, the functionality is impressive. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next
Product number 3, Hodo Cordless Brushless Drill.
At number 3, we have the Hodo Cordless Brushless Drill, priced at $79.99. I was drawn to its sleek design and impressive features, especially the LED display screen. If you want a drill that's both stylish and powerful, this might be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you. With 30 precision gears and a maximum torque of 266 inch-pounds, this drill lets you tackle a variety of projects with ease. The USB-C charging feature is a game changer, allowing you to charge it anywhere, no more bulky battery packs. Plus, it's lightweight at just 1.94 pounds, reducing hand fatigue during long tasks. Seriously, it's designed for both beginners and pros alike, which is reflected in its recent popularity, with over 100 units sold this month. Now, some people did express concern about it not being suitable for heavy-duty work. Here's my perspective. If you're doing light to medium tasks, it's perfect. But yeah, if you're planning to tackle tough materials every day, you might want something more robust. But for most home projects, this drill is more than enough. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable tool for home repairs. Skip this one if heavy-duty work is your main focus, as this won't meet those demands. Honestly, for the design and features. Product number 4, Dremel 231 Rotary Tool Table. Fourth on our list is the Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tools Shaper and Router Table, priced at around $48.99. I was really impressed by how this converts your rotary tool into a precision wood shaper. If you want to add versatility to your existing Dremel, this is definitely worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. This table allows you to shape, sand, and trim edges with precision, making it great for detailed projects. The compact design means it easily mounts to any tabletop workspace without taking up much room. Plus, the adjustable fence helps ensure accuracy, which is key for those intricate wood projects. Considering its price and the fact that it fits multiple Dremel models, it's a steal for anyone looking to enhance their workshop. Now, some users pointed out that it may not be sturdy for heavy-duty applications. Here's the thing though, if you're working on light-duty tasks, it's perfect. For anyone focused on detail, this is a great addition to your toolkit. Just remember, it's not meant for serious commercial use. This is perfect for you if you enjoy wood carving or want to refine your skills at home. Skip this if you need something for heavy construction work, as it won't hold up under those conditions. Overall, it delivers great value for hobbyists. Alright, that was a fantastic option, but the last one is something completely different. Product number 5, DodoWin Connectable Contour Gauge. Finally, we have the DodoWin Connectable Contour Gauge, priced at $49.99. What caught my interest was its unique design that allows you to connect 2 gauges for longer measurements. If you want a tool that makes copying shapes a breeze, this is definitely worth a closer look. Here's why this matters for you. The ability to copy contours accurately means you save time and reduce errors in your projects. It's made from sturdy ABS plastic, making it both handy and durable. Whether you're working with pipes, tiles, or any irregular shapes, this tool can handle it all. It's also graduated in both inches and centimeters, so measurement is straightforward. With over 50 units sold recently, it's clear that this is a tool many find useful. Now, some people have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to adjust the tightness. Here's the thing, once you figure it out, it performs really well and is worth the minor learning curve. If you're looking for something to help with precise measurements, this will definitely enhance your work. This is perfect for you if you're a craftsman or anyone regularly dealing with detailed shapes. Skip this if you're not into DIY or woodworking, as it might not be necessary for you. It's a solid investment for. To wrap it up, we've covered a fantastic range of woodworking tools. The Malco Turbo Shear for precision cuts, the Bora Workbench for portability, the high-tech Hodo drill, the versatile Dremel router table, and the innovative DodoWin Contour Gauge. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Hodo cordless brushless drill because it combines style and functionality in a way that suits most DIY projects. On the flip side, I recommend avoiding the Dremel router table if heavy-duty tasks are your main focus, as it may not meet your needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.